Hi, happy Tuesday. I decided to hit record today because I am currently feeling a lot of chaos in my life. And over the course of the last few months, I have had to learn how to adapt to this new and current lifestyle. And my current lifestyle is that I am a 23-year-old young woman trying to find her way through working my way into adulthood. I mean, I am an adult, but more so, you know, having to keep my house clean, having to cook, having to find ways to make money to keep up with rent. Um, and the reason as to why things have been more chaotic is due to my my new adventures on creating a business. And that is really difficult because you, in one way, in a great way, you get to make your schedule, but then in another, you are constantly trying to chase after your life. And today just feels like a great example to talk about this because I have my cat is chewing on this and it's really triggering me. I have a meal prep plan that I follow. I have a cleaning list that I follow. And as of 4 days ago, that went out the window, and I've been behind on meal prep. I've eaten out 2 nights in a row now. I don't have any food in the fridge. My bathroom is a disaster and it's driving me nuts. I'm behind on laundry. And so all of these things are starting to pile up on me. And it's because I've had to drop everything. Hi, Callie. Due to trying to run a business. It comes back to that priority. And this morning was the first time that I got to work out in a week, which never in my 5 years of consistently training in the gym have I felt like I could take a week off. I don't know. Knowing that if you're trying to pursue something extravagant like starting a business, trying to get into the gym for the first time, trying to be a better cook, these things all take time to develop that skill on your goals. And something that we don't notice when we have a lot going on is that we might be succeeding in one area of our life and failing in another. And I would say that I am doing it. I am doing what I want to be doing in terms of trying to run a business for the first time. I'm currently dressed, ready to go. I'm supposed to leave the house in like 2 minutes to go to an assessment at 6:30 p.m. This whole weekend, I worked. What I'm trying to highlight here is to give yourself the grace and appreciation that you deserve for going out there and trying something new and being consistent in that one thing, even if it means you are failing in another thing or another area of your life. Because maybe as you're watching this video, you might be gathering that I'm a little tired, maybe even a little overwhelmed. Yes. But with that said, I am very proud of myself for the work and effort that I have been putting in for my future self and for my career and for my own growth. So knowing that the things that I'm doing now, even if everything blew up into smithereens, it was worth it because I've learned so much from it. I've gained so much experience from it. Whatever comes my way, I know will only make me a stronger and more intelligent human being, but also kind and compassionate. So it's very interesting with growing up, being able to have more skill set is kind of a cool thing. I sound like old, but anyway, if you are having some sort of different change or new chapter in your life, that I'm rooting for you and that it's going to be okay and it's nothing but your current time now. And in a month's time, you're going to look back and be like, damn, it wasn't that deep. So yeah, that is all I wanted to say, because this weekend I didn't get a chance to record a series of the book that I'm reading right now. Yes, it's been bothering me and been on my mind, but I want to forgive myself because I've been doing so many other things. And that I will be working on releasing that next video by the end of this week. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching if you stay to the end of this video, and hit that like button if you are feeling the same way.